YouTube. Hey Broken Bougie Squad, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see or hear, it is pouring down, raining today. Yo, this rain came out of nowhere. It started raining hard, so excuse the noise. But today we are going to do a little day in the life pre-birthday maintenance vlog. As you can see, I'm missing a nail because fiance is playing in the pool. No, I can't swim. Had me in that 5 feet, and I thought I was almost going to drown in the 5 feet, even though I'm 5'2" and could stand up in 5 feet. I hit my hand on the side of the pool and my nail broke off. So, and my birthday is tomorrow, July 2nd. Yes, stand up for all the cancers. Yes, the July cancers, not the June cancers. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, so year 33 in this year. Oh my God, it is raining so hard, and I'm not even in my car, and I don't even know how to work this car. I'm not driving my car because y'all, oh my God, y'all would not believe what happened to my car. But I'm gonna tell y'all later. Y'all would not believe what happened to my car. It's so crazy. Anyway, I'm on my way to the nail salon. Yes, in this storm, because my nails need to be done for tomorrow. Period. Okay. Luckily, the nail salon is like literally right across the street from my house, so no biggie. I need to get my eyebrows done. I gotta get my hair cut at 1:30, and then I need to take my car to the shop at 3 o'clock. So much to do today, and I'm still at work. I'm working from home today, so that's some good flexibility. You can just get up and go. As long as you have your phone on, you're good to go. And then I'll be off for the next 5 days. Off for the next 5 days. But it's supposed to rain like all weekend, and like I said, my birthday's tomorrow, and then, you know, of course, you know, we got to celebrate the whole weekend. And it's gonna rain tomorrow, it's gonna rain Saturday, which I plan on going to Rehoboth Beach. See, I don't mind if it rains, as long as it don't rain all day or during my event. I'm good. Like, sis, it's so aggravating. Y'all, look, the mask mandate ended today. You don't have to wear a mask in establishments, and already nobody had a mask already.
Ooh! Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto. The ghetto.
I am back, and I am finished with the nail salon. Like my nails, a nice little light pink, powder pink, too cute. I got my toes the same color as well, and I usually get gel nail polish on my fingernails and regular polish on my toes. They were so packed today, obviously, because it's the holiday weekend. So that's no surprise, but they're always packed every day. That's why you gotta go during the week, because otherwise you would not get in. So yeah, got my little nails done. I love coffin shape, ballerina shape, or almond shape. I hate square nails. I feel like it don't look good on my hand, on my fingers. And French manicures. Who's still out there getting French manicures? Like, I see if you do the ombre, but y'all still out here getting French manicures in 2021. It stopped raining, the sun came out, and then it started raining again. I got 2 more errands around. I need to stop by the bank so I can pay for this car and this car repair, and then what else I need? Oh yeah, get my hair cut and go to the post office. I'm glad everything is on the same street, because I don't feel like doing all this driving around, especially when I'm not in my car, because I know everything about my car. And then I'm in Bay's car and I'm like, I don't even know how to work this. Gotta adjust the seat and everything. And plus, he don't even have a radio in his car. His radio don't work. And I'm like, how am I supposed to sing my tunes? How am I supposed to sing my ballads? Okay? Because I am a performer. I am an artist. All right, guys. So let me open up this Rebdolls bag. So I didn't really see many items that I want to offer Rebdolls, but I got 2 of their newest, 2 items from their newest collection. I think it's 3 items from their newest collection, actually. So let's see. So I only got 3 items. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. I think I'm missing something. Wait, let me see real quick.
Are you dumb?
So guys, I'm not missing nothing. See, what happened was, obviously I can't read. So this top right here was supposed to come with some bottoms that I thought it came in a set, but no, it came individually. So I don't want this top. It's going right on back. We don't want this top. What's the point? So that's gonna go right on back, and I'm gonna show you the outfit. I thought it came in a set, so whatever. Okay, so I got this skirt right here, this bodycon skirt. Too cute. Look at that tropical print. I love that. With this tie right here. You can tie it however you want to tie it. And I'm going to show you a picture of how it's supposed to look up here, okay? And then I got this white dress, this white cutout dress, because when I go to Punta Cana, we're going to have an all-white dinner on the beach. So I'm wearing this cute, sexy, all-white dress. Like, I'm gonna have to show you it on because it looks crazy like this. So let me try the stuff on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here is outfit number 1. This white bodycon cutout dress. Ooh, I love it.
Oh my God! Wow!
Like, I'm so short. I don't think it was meant to be that long, but I like the length. Can you see? Let me see. All right. There we go. You see how long it is on me? Because I'm so short. But ooh, pair this with a nice good spank. You'll be good to go. Yes, let me show you the back. Nice cutout. Ooh, I love this dress. Yes, super cute. Rebdolls. Yeah, I'm trying to get this girl. All right, guys, here's the last outfit. It is a 2-piece. It comes with a little bandeau, or I don't know what you would kind of call this top, but you could do it any type of way that you want to. And here's a bodycon skirt. It comes past my knees because I'm short, you know. But isn't this cute and tropical? I kind of want to wear this on my birthday Friday, but I think it's going to be too much for the restaurant, okay?
Oh, no! No!
Be giving too much for the restaurant, okay? So I might save this for DR. Yes, super cute. And you make sure you tie it tight because you don't want your titties to be out. Yeah, it's cute. I thought I was gonna have a third outfit for you guys, but as you can see, what had happened, you know, I couldn't read. So yeah, so this is it, my little mini Rebdolls haul. Yes, do you like? Oh. All right guys, so this is it for this little mini haul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you later. Deuces.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
Hey guys, just left the barbershop. My barber Chris hooked your girl up. Yes, I got a fade. Ooh. So yes, if you live in Harford County, Aberdeen, check out Kev Cuts. My barber name is Chris. Yes, he will hook your girl fades, your girl cuts up, sis. Now I'm on my way back to the house and chill out for a while before I take my car to the shop. But yeah, let me tell you about my car, y'all. So I dropped my mama off and driving on the main road, about to go home, and a huge flying object came out the sky and hit my windshield and like bust my windshield wide open. Okay, so guess what the object was? A big ass baseball or softball, whatever the hell it was. Yeah, so like while I was driving on the main road or whatever, they was having a baseball game on the other side of the road, and I guess when they was playing the game and hit the ball came flying towards my car and hit my windshield, tore it all up. So yeah, so I got to get it fixed, and you better believe I contacted the people that were playing the game, and they're gonna reimburse me for this money. Okay, this $450. Y'all finna pay for this windshield because y'all should have y'all game area better secured, that the ball's flying out in the main road and hitting people, y'all. So while we was waiting on the police, another ball came flying and almost hit the lady in the head, because once I stopped abruptly, the people behind me ended up hitting each other, but it was no major damage. The only major damage that happened was to my vehicle. So yeah, so another ball came flying and almost hit the lady in the head. So I kid you not, so my mom lives in a small historic town, right? And it's kind of like, shoot, she might as well live in some small Mississippi, Alabama town, the way they act. But so she lived in a small historic town, right? So the police is what you expect. So when the police arrived, it was only one police to 4 people, right? So we ended up calling the police. We was in the front. He started from the back and stayed with the people in the back for an hour before he got to me, the one with the most damage and the one who called in the first place. Mind you, we was the only people of color out there. So yeah, and so it took him an hour to get to me, and the only thing he said was, oh, there's nothing we could do about that. It's the same as if a rock hit your windshield. Are you kidding me? First of all, you took an hour to get to us. Second of all, you didn't assess nobody to see if it was anybody hurt. And third of all, we was the only people of color out there. And I'm like, that's very, you know, interesting. Okay, so yeah, I got his badge number and his name, because obviously someone was wrong with that. So, and then we also contacted the CEO of the baseball league or whatever, and he said he'll get back to me next week when he has his meeting. And I'm like, yeah, because I'm gonna keep harassing you because you finna reimburse me for this money. So yeah, so that's what happened to my windshield. I'm finna show you a picture of my windshield. Look up. So yeah, so I will see you guys later. So guys, let me show you my car. I like my cut, my fade. Anywho, let me show you my car. So y'all, this is the damage from that baseball. Busted wide open. Busted wide open. And I said, let's bring it back. But yeah. But like I said, this little baseball league, they finna reimburse me my money, okay? Cause Hey guys, I am back home and look what I got in the mail. My camera case, my camera protector. And of course in pink. So let's put this on the camera. And I got it from Amazon. I believe it's only like, what, $20? If that. So let me get y'all situated. So y'all couldn't get my car fixed today because they didn't have the right part. Had me waiting all this time and didn't even have the right part. How does this go now? Okay, it goes like this. Yep, that's how it goes. Isn't that cute? My pink little camera case. All the buttons are exposed. Everything that you need. And this comes off. This piece right here. Flip it up. Too cute. So let's see. Yes. Alrighty, guys, I'm finna close out this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And deuces. Way.